Let's listen to the thought of the week.
Take care of the earth and it will take care of you. Even small steps make big difference. Means that even small, everyday efforts to help the planet can lead to big positive change for the earth and for us.
Now let us add a few new words to our vocabulary. Vibrant, spelling Vibrant. Sahanam, Artham, Shama, patient. Vakyam, Vijayan Nedan Sahayikunu.
Now let's stay updated what is happening around the world.
Israel fires on crowd near Gaza site in 36. Cochin Public School will conduct its talent fest in the second week of July.
Now we have a special skit performance by SDG 50 Life on Land.
Oh, I'm tired. Oh dear, I'm worried. People used to save me, but now they just flush away. I used to travel with people everywhere. Now they buy plastic bottles every hour.
Breaking news. Water levels are falling faster than your phone battery.
Why close the tap when you can dance with it? Hey Wasty, are you aware of how many liters of water you waste? Liters? Please don't be silly. Time to act. Shorter showers, fix leaks, reuse RO water.
Drip by drip, we make life right. Together we shine, let's win in this fight. What a thoughtful skit. Thank you to our friends for reminding us about our responsibility to protect the environment.
The theme of the performance is the road safety.
Good morning, children. Today's lesson is all about road safety. Let's call someone who really knows how to cross the road safely. Did someone say zebra? I am Captain Zebra. Let's learn my 4 secret move.
Safety first for everyone. Thank you.
We request our principal ma'am to share her wisdom words with us.
You have to take good care of water. Otherwise, it will be hard for all of us. Whether you are at school or you are back home also, these lessons must be carried throughout our lives.